Hi friends, I am going to sharing a story. My title of the story is Cinderella. Once upon a time there lived a girl named Cinderella. His father was married another woman, so his mother don't like him. So one day his father said, I am my children, I am going to another village. Please take care. Your mother will care you, but don't stubborn. Then this children said, okay papa. Then they started to buy, but Cinderella was started to cry because his father loves him very much. So one day the stepmother called Cinderella. Cinderella, you make a dirty food. We don't like it. The youngest stepsister said, yes, we don't like it. Then all said, we don't like it. Then they finished and go to their home. Meanwhile, his stepmother said, but don't sleep with us. We don't know why you sleep. Yeah, you sleep in the attic. Then Cinderella was very sad, and he sleep in a attic. She look at the window. There was birds, butterflies, owls came to his hand and started to talk with him. So one day, when Cinderella was sleeping, his stepmother came to the attic and said, Cinderella, why are you sleeping? How much do you want to sleep? It is 9 o'clock. Then Cinderella wake up, and when he started to work, he saw there was 2 mice. Then the mice said, what is your name, Didi? Then Cinderella said, you can speak. Then the mice said, yes, I can speak. What is your name? Then Cinderella said, my name is Cinderella. Then Cinderella said, what is your name? Then they said, my name is Jitter and my name is Mittar. Then Cinderella said, I have no friends. From now you are my friends. Then they become friends. But when they saw a bird, then the bird said, hi Gigi, what is your name? Then Cinderella said, you can also speak. Then the bird said, yes, I can speak. Then Cinderella tell his name. My name is Cinderella. And what is your name? My name is Pigeon. Then they 3 all are their friends. So when the mice Gigi, we are too hungry, please give us something. Then this Cinderella said, yes, I can give you some cheese. Then the mice started to jumping and say, yeah, cheese, we want cheese, Didi, please give us. Then Cinderella go quietly at the kitchen and took some pieces of cheese and came. When he started to leave, their steps sister came. Then said the step's youngest sister said, Ma, Cinderella, what are you taken on your hand? Mama, please come here. Cinderella has taken his hand pieces of cheese. Then and the mom came. Their friends also came and started to roaming. They said, yeah, yeah, there is mouse on us. Then said when his stepmother started to kill, the doorbell ring. There was a chart, and the guard said, tomorrow you the prince want to marry. Tomorrow you have to come. Then they said okay, and they locked the room, locked the gate, and said, Cinderella, make 3 beautiful dresses for us, not dirty. If you make dirty, you don't come with us with the ball. Then Cinderella make a beautiful dress, but the stepsister started to fight off their comb and dresses. So the next day Cinderella was very tired, so he sleep too much. So the mice came and said, Cinderella, wake up, you have to go to the ball. So as Cinderella said, but why? In this dirty clothes, the prince don't marry me. Then the mice said, don't worry, we will give you a cloth, beautiful dress. Then they give a surprise. The bird opened the cover and said, chitter-mitter. And then they saw a beautiful dress. So she wore the cloth and came to the hall. The stepmother saw Cinderella was very beautiful then, and his daughter. So he take the bowls of beans and threw it in the fire. So the stepmother said, Cinderella, you pick up the beans in the bowl. Then Cinderella said, okay, and came with a sad face. After seeing this situation, all three friends came and help to pick up all the beans. Then with the dirty clothes, Cinderella came and kept the beans. But he was very but he locked the room and go to the another village and sit under a tree. Suddenly the one fairy came and and said, Cinderella, you also go to the ball. Then the fairy said, then the Cinderella said, but how can? Then Harry said, go to that farm and bring a big pumpkin. Then Cinderella go to that farm and bring a big pumpkin. Then the fairy start to magic the bun with his magical wand 3 times. Then it was very beautiful coat, and Cinderella become very beautiful, and the mice become 2 horse and said, thank you, the fairy, but listen, came to here in the might right. Then the horse started to go running. Then they reached at the palace and all. Then the prince loved him very much and said, will you dance with me and marry with me? Then Cinderella said yes. His stepmother and stepsister was very angry because the prince don't marry them. So when they are dancing, it was midnight. He left the prince and started to work. He left one shoe, but he don't stop. When he started to running, all the things came one place. So the slippers kept into a coat. So they meet all the houses door to door. Then Simra said, please stop this mine slippers. Then the Leopold came and said, yes, you are the same girl. Then Leopold said, will you marry me? Then Cinderella said, yes, I will marry you.